road salt. Once you get around below -10, it really doesn't work anymore. So that's another issue. Have you been finding the roads especially slick this morning too?
Yeah, definitely slick. But Chris, there's not just the problem of the salt and the cold. There's also the problem of just getting salt. And that's simply because we've had so much precipitation this winter so far that the mines are having trouble keeping up with the demand. So right now they're prioritizing the municipalities, they're prioritizing the plows that get out on the roads here.
The advice there ahead of any flights coming and going. And you're going nowhere, really, if you're on the Don Valley Parkway right now, as it's closed in both directions, north and south, between Eglinton and the Gardner. This is for ongoing to Toronto's top stories, but there's really one story today with plenty of tentacles. It is the major winter storm that we're seeing in the GTA. Environment Canada, in the last couple of hours, upgrading its snowfall warning today from yellow to orange. That means severe weather likely to cause significant damage, disruption, or potential health impacts. These are live shots from one of our breaking news vehicles out on the roads in Toronto this morning, where you can see, this looks like University Avenue. You can't even see the road. You can see the cars on the...
Now I can walk back. It is cold. It is -20, frigid cold. Look at my hands. And at least 20 centimeters snow is already on the ground. The van has been stuck for the last 2 hours. They finally are able to leave. As you saw previously, they were shoveling snow under the van so they can start